Now let's look at average. So let's go to A18. Let's type in the word average. Hit the tab button. We use our assignment operator, AVE for average. Alright. Alternatively, let's do this a different way. And I'm going to go to my formulas. And I can select my formulas from here. Alternatively, I can either go with the insert function or I can use the FX button on the toolbar. I'm going to go FX and I'm going to select the word average. Click on OK. And now it's telling us what is number 1 and what is number 2. So there we go. What is the average? Click on OK. And we can see there that it is 600. Let's go with the next one. Click on our insert from our formulas tab. Click on insert function. Select average. Click on OK. You don't have to use both numbers. Let's select that one. Go to March. Insert FX. Select on average. Select our range. And there we can see our average bill for January was 600. February it was 1070, and for March it was 1880. The average function is a very nice function to be using, as well as business sometimes require it and says, okay, this is what we've done, but what is our average? And lots of times businesses want to increase their average. Look at it from a logistics company, the average delivery time, average arrival time. And this is very handy, especially when we want to improve these types of averages.